What is it? You want to open it?
Okay.
Pretty paper.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you open it? What else is in here? What's in here, Eleanor? A blanket for Lamb? Uh-oh. Oh, what's that? I see something else.
It's mine.
What's in there? Oh, what is it? What is it? You just happy about your paper? What's that?
It's Disney.
It is Goofy. What's this? Eleanor, what's that? Look how cute. I open it. What's this?
What's that?
It's for you.
What's that?
Look. It's a panda bear. Oh.
This is you.
He stretches and blinks. Oh, we can't wait to see that.